Hi, I'm Ciara de Leon. You can call me Ciara. I currently work as a legal assistant at Yondu. To be honest, when I actually took the course because I was required to, Edwin gave us insights and another perspective on how to understand data privacy. So it was actually a very helpful course for me. Course actually gave us a overview of the Data Privacy Act and more on how to utilize it and to understand it and apply it in our organizations. It's my biggest takeaway that it is very important to be aware of the danger and on how to protect your data. 100%.